Good morning. How's everyone doing?
Good morning.
Sorry, everybody's running a little bit late on our side today, so uh, I'm still trying to get my bearings right. How you feeling, Dave? How was
I'm all
FOMC?
right. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, passed an eval
Nice.
in that momentum. A little crazy.
I lost an eval in that momentum, so
It's easy. Either way, it could have gone either way for sure.
100%. We got good old Nick joining us today, so let's bring him on. We're gonna have Christine and Thomas on in a bit, so it's gonna be a full house.
Oh,
Good morning,
nice.
Nick. How you doing,
Holy
buddy?
crap. Good. How are you doing?
I'm
Good
good. I'm
morning.
good.
Oh, it looks so nice there.
What's up, Dave?
That's a green screen, right? No.
No,
Looks
that's a
terrible.
that's a volcano.
Wow. So awesome.
Are you out of the cloud forest? You still in the cloud forest?
Thank God I'm out of that fucking swampy mess.
I love it.
No, it's beautiful. But it is the rainy season, and having swamp ass 24/7 is not
Oh yeah.
not ideal.
You need baby powder and lots of it.
Oh yeah, I discovered that a couple of months ago.
Hey James, good morning, and Trevor.
Good morning, Trev. Good morning, James, Michael,
Oh, Michael too. Yeah.
Scott,
Scott,
Jordan. Jordan, we need to get on a call. Sorry, man. I've had such a busy week. I will make sure we link up for sure.
Yeah, me too. I'm behind on 3 days on my markups. So bad.
I don't know where the week went. I don't know if we just anticipating FOMC, we kind of got caught up in the whirlwind or something, and then the week just disappeared.
Yeah.
So that was a decent pullback from the London highs.
Yeah, really.
Well, I didn't trade the Asian session yesterday. I actually turned the computer off and left. I didn't want to even look at it, but we had this nice move up. Here, Dave, if you don't mind, I will
For sure.
share my screen. How did you make out yesterday, Nick?
I made out by staying out. I took a grand total of 2 trades yesterday, both of them extremely undersized. I didn't want to put any risk on the table. So, I mean, in total, I think I pulled 5 points per account on on minis. I took 2 trades and then closed the computer.
Nice. Yeah, it's I had one winning trade in an eval at the open, a nice trade, and then I got stuck in a long for the rest of the day, which led me to mismanage it into FOMC, and basically, yeah, I could have made some money on that eval. Instead, I added more size in and got cute and got smoked. So,
Yeah.
Randy, you know better than that.
yeah, I think it was just because I was in the trade for like 4 hours that I kind of maybe lost respect for that account or something, or I just thought, what the hell, I took it this long, now I can just go for the gusto. It was a lapse of judgment. It is what it is. This is trading props and trading evals, and this is why I like how Nick always says, like, just trade them the same. Why are you trading them differently? James says it to me all the time.
You're saying that you like when I say that, but when I say that, you roll your eyes, you scoff at me. I'm not making excuses.
Well, I don't know if you saw the message James left in the BSC. He ripped right into me in the middle of the night. So.
Oh, did he?
Oh, yeah.
I guess Beckham, his son is not sleeping well, so he was up, and he's like, I know this is like a weird time, but Randy, why did you do this? We talked about this. This is 3 times now you've done this. Like, it was all valid, very warranted.
Yeah, sometimes you got to hear it too, right?
Yeah. And it's
like
all
I was
because
saying,
we care.
We had this move up in the Asian session, and we're coming up to almost 6,700, and then London session, these guys, just buyers, put their foot on the gas. Right, 67.20 was the London high, and then we get this pullback pre-market coming into the day. I'm liking the longs. There's nothing else I really care to look at.
Yeah.
We're above all of the levels, above previous days to New York. We're above the New York right now, and only thing we have holding us back is the overnight. So I'm going to wait for the 15-minute opening range to set in. I'm going to be trading my big bucket of accounts today. I want to get back to trading those. So
Nice. How many? Excuse me. I'm sorry. How many accounts you have in that bucket?
22.
All right. That's
just-
a big bucket.
I just added some trade day accounts to it, so I'm interesting to see. To see how that pans out. So
You guys have
So-
a big profit trader?
Yeah.
How long does it usually take for the eval to?
So you should have got an email last night and then the next day sometimes. It'll be like 2 emails. They'll send you one email saying they're reviewing the account, and then they'll send you another email like an hour or 2 usually after they review it. Sometimes even longer though. I could see because it was FOMC that they might be just like slammed.
For sure.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
like on the dashboard, it says you've passed a trading combine and earned the funded account. Will contact you the next business day regarding next steps. There we go.
Yeah. So they're
Big
gonna
profit
send you
traders
a.
like that?
Yeah, on their take profit trader, like on their dashboard.
Oh, so but it says you passed the
Yeah.
journey, the test.
Yeah. That kind of answered my question. I should have read that first. It says next business day. So
Yeah, usually they're not the fastest, and then they don't actually do anything till 10 p.m. Eastern time. They don't look at the accounts.
gotcha. Yeah. Because I did look back kind of like a little bit later last night, and it was still not showing anything about like not updated on my day's trading yet. So
Yeah, that doesn't update till 7 p.m. our time.
gotcha.
Nick, you looking at anything?
I'm waiting.
Any thoughts?
It's kind of hard to say. I'm thinking longs are gonna be the play for the day.
Yeah.
After that overnight movement, we got a bit of a pullback to what, 86? Yeah, 86 now.
And then you got good old YM. Jeez, we should just be
Right
trading
back.
this thing, man. It's all over. YM's all over the place.
YM's all the way back to like FOMC, lower than FOMC price. Hey, good morning, Dad.
How's
And-
that?
oh, yeah,
Did you call him Mr.
that one.
Stewart? Good morning,
So-
Mr. Stewart.
I won a duck race on stream yesterday from Zach Boyajian.
Oh my God!
Did you really?
Yeah. There's 81 ducks. And he gave away 4 accounts, and I won one on the fourth go.
I love it.
So awesome.
So yesterday's close was at 66.58. Is that right?
Was it that? I thought it was a little bit higher. I thought we really came back to those 4.6s again. Like those 4.6s were crazy yesterday. If you watch that level, I don't know how to say 6,666. I just like 4.6s better. But
We
if
all
you
understand
look,
you.
that was super interesting. And then it was funny. I streamed with Zach Arbucci for a little bit, and there was a 4-hour fair value gap on NQ that had like the biggest 2 wicks go at the bottom of it, but it still held. And it was
Wow.
just like, I don't know how you survive that trade even if you were in it, because like, where do you put your stop? But like the fair value gap actually held by the end of the day,
Yeah,
which
the
was just like, this is wild.
Yeah, my trading view showing yesterday's close at 66.58 on MES.
I got you.
Look at that line out there, guys.
Hello.
Good morning.
Oh wow, look at this. Now that's a stacked
Good.
house.
He's cut off.
Yeah, what's going on there?
No, I think you can see him on. We just can't see him.
It's just
Okay.
a banner.
Let's. I'll just turn the banner off. There you go.
Right.
That's a little better.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's what you're gonna want to do. There you go. Thomas in the house.
Yeah. There.
Thomas in the house.
Hola, Thomas.
What's up, Nick?
This is
Oh,
just like, I can't believe all 5 of us are here.
That's awesome.
It's getting crowded in here.
I know.
Where's Dina? No.
Okay, let's start with Thomas. What are you looking at?
Right now I'm leaning a little bit more short biased. I'm really just trying to come into the morning and read the 2-minute price action first and foremost and see where that momentum is, and then use the 15-minute to try and find either some levels to trade to, and overall try and find some confluence. But at the end of the day, I'm going to take my trade entry off the 2-minute chart. Even if we are bullish, I would still definitely short this market today.
Christine,
Nice.
how are you?
I'm good. I don't have a ton of. I mean, I have my levels, so I'm watching those, but I'm still trying to play it less is more. So we'll see. My last trading day, I had tilting-esque behavior, just a little bit more tries than I needed to. So nothing like horrible, but I'm just going to chill today and see what happens. I'm still in my Tesla position, and I'm watching that move down right now. So I'm hopeful that turns around.
Nice.
Cool.
How much did Tesla come down?
Oh, it's only down 0.2%.
Oh, yes.
You know.
And then did you see that Intel?
Yes. Yeah. Very
Like,
cool.
why doesn't anybody just give us a heads up? Like, hey,
I know, right?
somebody at Nvidia, like, hey, we're gonna dump some money in Intel here, just a couple
Yeah.
bucks.
Yeah. Just a couple bucks.
I know, because those are the hardest buys. It's like a stock that's just been selling off for the last 5 years, and then now all of a sudden it's gonna pop.
I swear someone was talking about Intel the other day.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. I have to try to remember, but anyways, it's not a stock I trade. I only trade the Meg 7 at the current moment, so I miss out on lots of.
I just can imagine the portfolio managers that were holding a ton of Oracle and a ton of Intel for their clients, and how they're just probably doing backflips right now. Like, the life of a portfolio manager. Like,
Yes.
you're down or you're up.
Would not want that job right now.
Oh, it'd be stressful.
Calling all your clients saying, up, up, up.
Yeah, no, I like the longs. I want to see. Well, now we're coming and tapping into basically. Yeah, see, I got the overnight session. Nick opened at 6,666 basically. So that 4.6 number again, and that number is kind of, if you watched price action yesterday, was wild, like into FOMC.
What's some previous day POC?
6. I got it marked 66.61. So many damn sixes, man. Like,
Yeah.
can we just get out of this area? Like, it's so hard to call out levels.
Guys, I went shopping from 10 o'clock till 8 o'clock last night.
I would not
How does
have that.
how does that work?
Why?
10
Yeah, I was there
a.m.?
that long.
Oh,
From
10
10
a.m.
o'clock
to
in the
8 p.m.
morning till 8 o'clock at night.
Wow.
Yeah. I know everyone cares, so I thought I'd update y'all.
That's about
Anybody
as long as
looking
my
at the
trades-
shorts would have been a nice rejection off of the New York VWAP. So
Yeah. But it's early before the.
Yeah, it was.
15-minute range set.
Are we allowed to take those trades, people?
We can do whatever we want.
You're allowed to do anything you want to, Christine.
Exactly.
I'm gonna throw 10 minis on my next trade.
Perfect. Might as well. Let's get crazy.
Pray for the right side, right direction.
Yeah.
Cross my fingers and hover over the flatten button.
Does
So
anybody
how
want to share their screens?
I know.
My screen's pretty boring right now.
You know, I think Thomas said he was looking for shorts, so the market is starting to appease him.
Yeah,
That's why it's going
I'm
back.
like, I feel like the shorts are good down to 66.54 area, like kind of like the middle of yesterday's price action. But overall, I don't want to overall, I'm not thinking it's just going to be a bearish day.
Yeah,
But
totally.
certainly this price action at the open,
Yeah.
this is very bearish.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's the key, Thomas, how Thomas just said it. Like he doesn't see it being a bearish day. It's just like, shorting the pullback.
And
Which I think is great. Instead of having like such a hard bias to be like, oh no, this has got to tip over and come all the way down to here. It's like, no, but I can see with that move up in the overnight that we could have a decent sized pullback.
It's like
You on electric or electronic or regular trading hours?
I have electronic on the left side of my screen, and then so like electronic 15-minute chart on this left side with all my levels, and then on the right side is just the 2-minute with the 15-minute opening range.
Interesting.
Nice.
I've switched over to electronic trading hours now. I don't use the regular.
I think I've always had electronic trading hours on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's just because I've spent so much time, I feel like trading the Asian session. It's always like that. And then I'm going to start looking at maybe like how Zach uses electronic trading hours for his volume profile, where I just use regular trading hours.
Well, today on ES is pretty, like I use both, right? So today is, they're all pretty much lined up. Value area high and electronic value area highs are matched. The point of control and electronic point of control are matched. And then we only got like a 3-point difference on the value area low. So
why would you use both, Dave? You don't find that more confusing?
You know what? It just it reacts off both of those levels. You know, I get some sort of reaction, and it's kind of, I guess it's a bit of a learning. Like I'm trying to
you're trying to see which one you like better.
And quite often they line up, right? So when they line up, at maybe a little, like we're sitting on both value areas right now, value area highs. It's like finding support on both of them there right now.
I got you.
If you pull up my screen, Randy, I'll mention one more thing about the VWAPs that I'm looking at this morning. They kind of give me a little bit of the short bias.
I would love to.
Just looking at the 15-minute chart here, if you plot, this is the all-time high VWAP.
Your mic's a little bit quiet, Thomas.
The way that this is holding so close on top of the price action, and then just as it's dumping, it's just a straight direct line down, and then now it's almost about across. This for me is like very bearish.
Nice bounce.
A very bearish VWAP.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, I like this. This is a reaction, that's for sure, to something.
Yeah, bounced off the value area high.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, I wanted this trade. I like these trades down off of these value area, like where price just consolidates for a minute, when especially lining up with the opening range low like that. But then yesterday I got stuck in that exact same trade.
For 4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours.
That's like how long the stream was yesterday.
I like this trade, but I kind of missed it.
Same here.
Yeah, this is where the momentum is.
I didn't really, with us closing on the view up there and then reopening on it, it's kind of not as clear as if it would have ripped right through it, right?
Yeah, I didn't get
Go ahead, Christine.
I just saying I didn't get a low and then that low taken out. It was just like a reaction off, for me, nothing. Obviously there was something, but that's why I couldn't really do anything about it. Go ahead, Thomas.
Well, I'll be quite interested to see, as you develop your strategy, Christine, how you take advantage of this sweep of opening range low and play the double break trade more off of the opening range low level rather than a pre-market level.
Yes. And I'm thinking eventually I'll be able to see these level sweeps without having it at a specific level that I've chosen on my chart. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But I think that probably comes with time of watching them and seeing the price action.
Absolutely.
Ooh.
Yeah, that would have been a nice hold of the opening range low and that value. Darn it!
And it lined up with value area high.
It would have been a beauty trade up to previous day, up to the overnight VWAP.
Yeah, but hard to get in. It would have
Yes.
been on.
You had to
would've
buy it at the bottom. You had to take that risk. You had to fight the VWAP.
press those buttons.
You'd
Then
have
you-
to.
Buy a selling off market, which is the hardest trade. In my
Mhm.
opinion.
Do you know what I mean? Like, still have your stop below previous day's New York. You'd still have a 10-point stop if you bought that at the bottom, basically. So it was for sure like it was definitely a risky move, especially with that move down after the New York VWAP got taken,
Yeah.
because that thing could have easily rejected the opening range low and just moved lower, and you would have just got stopped out at the previous day's New York. You'd have to have a pretty big stop.
Yeah, and I mean, let's see what happens now, right? Maybe this becomes a lower high. Maybe this retests New York VWAP and there's an entry. You know what I mean? There's tons of options. This was not the only option for us today.
Yeah.
Unless Nick's in a trade. He's quiet, which usually means something.
No, not in a trade. I'm just waiting this one out.
Yeah.
It's the day after FOMC. It's gonna be
Yeah.
volatile.
A little too
not in a-
whiplash.
I am not in a rush to get into anything right now.
Yeah, we might see some really big slaps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where they're just like, whoomp.
Get bitch slapped today by the
Yeah.
market? Let's not do that.
Yeah.
Gigantic market order.
Yeah.
What was it James said yesterday? Keep it light and keep it tight.
Keep it light. Keep it tight.
Look at those 3 big candles that move up, and then you get price just kind of slow down here. Now we'll get a move down.
Yeah, I can't believe they erased basically that whole entire overnight move there, pretty much. Back to the low, anyways.
I just find that the London session, they just either want to sell it or buy it, run it up, and then pre-market it just does like it pulls back, or you get a bounce.
Oh, yeah, that overnight bounce on the VWAP. Ooh, that was a nice one.
So on a side note, I have some exciting news. It's not 100% confirmed, but I think I'm going to be doing another event in Tampa in the new year in May.
Ooh.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, so I think roughly it's going to be middle of May. I was just kind of talking to Austin yesterday about it, and he's talking about it in the chat, so I'm assuming he's leaning more into it now and confirming it. So middle of May, Tampa, same thing, 2 or 3 day event
Oh my
over the
God.
weekend.
I just
haven't,
fly to
been to
Florida
Tampa.
again.
Sorry, Christine?
I have to fly to Florida again?
Yeah, I know. You're telling me I got to fly half. It's exactly complete other sides of the country for me, like furthest west coast to furthest east coast.
It's only like 5 hours though, right?
Yeah, but for me it was 2 flights. I flew to Montreal and Montreal
Oh,
there,
yeah.
and then on the way home I think Chicago and Chicago home.
Thomas, what are you thinking?
I'm definitely liking the shorts here.
Yeah,
Just get my order set up.
nice.
Next I'll take on the New York
So
there.
you're trading right on TradingView then?
Yeah, because I have Tradeify.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah. I just prefer it. It's easier. Even though the execution's like a little laggier, it feels more real.
Yeah. Just all together.
Yeah.
If I do take a trade, I don't think I'm going to take it in my copy traded accounts now.
Yeah, good choice.
Yeah.
And my stop's got to be a decent size, and the way I have my account set up, I won't take that much risk.
Okay, I'm in.
Nice. I can see it. I'm still unsure about I can see your thesis and your reasoning and
We haven't
Oh.
engaged a POC yet either, so
yeah. And you came in,
left there.
looking for this, and I feel like it's a good plan carry through for sure.
I'm going to join you, Thomas.
That's nice. That looks like a really nice trade, Thomas.
Yeah, I got my finger on the sell button here.
Let's see if we can get a move down to. What are you looking for taking profits, Thomas? Just kind of the lows of the session?
Previous day VWAP.
That's reasonable.
Yeah, it's really good.
That's where my automatic brackets are set up. It's actually landed right on previous days New York. It's a sign.
I, of course, am long bias.
I just took this.
I don't know if I feel like fading Thomas and Randy and everyone today. So
I just took this in my 3 pro accounts. So
Do it.
Christine, I have a long bias overall for the day.
got it.
So you and I are on the same page.
Yes.
But I'm not looking to scalp longs right now. There's
Okay.
no indication that anything is going to go up at this time.
That makes sense.
It looks like it's going to go down. It dropped below the opening range, and look at that. Yeah, it's still dropping. I think overall for the day, I'm long.
there's some news coming in, guys, I think.
Did we have news?
No, I don't think so, but I just kind of how the book just kind of, you got that little pop and then the book kind of went dark, but there's orders coming back on now again.
I don't know. I keep being distracted by these chickens and whatnot that are running around by my feet.
Love that.
Do you? You want some chicken?
Yeah,
I'm looking at this thing thinking lunch.
guys.
I did get in short with you guys there. I'm thinking about cutting this already, to be honest. It's pretty close to my stop already.
Patience.
You went in short?
Yeah. Just that slap back up above New York, really, yeah.
I went long.
Christine, how
Beautiful.
dare you?
No, I like the longs. I'm
Oof.
like, I kind of want to cut it, but
For me,
I also
if
know
I'm
it's
looking
like-
at this rate, it overshot my level. It didn't give me a sweep of the lows, but it did give me a retest of that level. So for me, that is like, okay. And technically, like I've seen it go from pre-market lows to pre-market highs. And to me, this looks a little bit more set up for that. Obviously, I could be totally wrong. It's just
I got
what
it.
I'm seeing.
I'm out.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, I got out of there too.
Oh, well, I hope, like, don't let me change your,
No, it's the price.
okay.
That slap
not- I
up
don't wanna
was
do that.
that slap up was pretty rough. So
Because I really liked like the setup of that short. It looked like an amazing trade. Like with that higher low.
Yeah,
I do like the longs now almost too.
and I feel like I could still get stopped out of this trade before it goes short again. Like, just looks a little
Right.
dangerous.
Yeah.
yeah, I would have been stopped out pretty much right there, almost.
But we are like we're approaching overnight VWAP. So there could be another rejection there. On my chart at least, unless I'm wrong, but I want this to be 67 and 90. Holy hell, I gotta mark this up. I feel like I've
I
been
took
off
a lo-
for a year.
I took a long in my Ignite account.
I
Wow.
actually took the long there on the, also in the break of that overnight view up there.
I wanted to take it in my in my other account, but and my copy traded accounts, but I just don't have the balls. So
All right, well, good pull on our end.
Yeah, great.
That would have stopped me out.
I don't know if feels like it's going to be kind of a bit of a rangy day, but at least we have a 16-point opening range, so there's some moves to be caught inside the range.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Good morning, Tar. What's up, brother? Damn you, Michael. Nice work on the long. Christine, what are you looking for? Take profit.
I have it set at 2R. Do I?
What's a
Good
2R?
rooster.
I know you don't know what that is, Randy.
heard
Some
of it.
traders here do, though. But what I would really love to see is 67.19. But I'm too chicken shit to hold out for that one.
67.19
Mm-hmm.
all-time highs.
Yeah.
Don't be a chicken. Just add in.
No, I don't need that. Add in.
Look at good old YM. Just ripping.
Very nice.
Good morning, Keith. Now we're a true stream with you here.
I added in on my trade.
Keys here.
Nice. I think I'm going to reduce my risk on this one. I'm up 10 points as is, so I think it'd be a shame to take a loss.
YM is just ripped again. Damn you, YM. Here, let's bring this up on the screen. This was my original entry, and then I added in.
Switch over to you, Randy.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like we're going to go to...
So this was my original entry where my stop is now. I added in, so I will bring this up just below here, I think, just to protect this. This is like a... I don't know what you would say. Nick, what would you call this?
Hold on, let me look at it. What are we doing here?
So I entered in here, I added in up here, I brought my stop to break even. Do you think I should just take profits on this now?
Why would you bring it to break even? Pull it up at least 2 ticks above that.
Okay.
Your break even, you're still in the negative because your commissions and
commissions.
fees don't. I don't pull my stop losses up into profit or up to break even. I pull them up into profit.
I got you.
I don't like donuts.
Yeah, I need to get that in my head a lot more.
I was a long 15. I covered 10 just right there, and I got the rest
Nice.
break even. So
Nice.
recovered most of that initial loss there.
We have the upper band at 67.01, deviation plus 1, and it was and Michael, tell me if I'm right, but it was a nice retest of the deviation minus 1. So with the momentum is 67.01 a nice little target, which is just front running the deviation. I don't know if you front run them, Michael. You tell me.
I don't like this edging, guys. I don't know how
Nice.
Tanner does this. This is too intense. Look at my screen. Like, edge to a tick.
Yeah, I'm out also.
I'm going to bring my stop up, I think.
Front run by a point or two. Perfect. Okay.
I was getting edged for
Look at
that
this.
whole previous.
Oh,
candle.
there we go. I'm out. I'm
Nice.
done.
Good job, guys.
That edging was too intense, especially on a Thursday morning. Like,
Guys, you just stop with the edging. You're making me a little uncomfortable over here.
well, there you go. So let's lock this account.
Dave
down.
laughed the hardest. I know he knows what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
Herbert.
So I'm up in those accounts. I'm up in that account. I'm down in my pro account. 153. And now should I just go and trade all my copy traded accounts? What do I do, guys?
I'm down
Trade
$2.30.
all of them from the start.
Yeah, I know, because I'm a pussy, Thomas. That's why.
I also went in so small of a size for this trade, but that's okay.
Oh,
That's okay.
This is going to 6,719. Mark my words, Christine.
Should I put my profit up there? Imagine.
oh,
You guys
Do
are
it.
talking
You gotta
about
dream big
being.
somewhere.
Yeah.
You guys are talking about being wimps, and taking small trades, and I haven't done a damn thing this morning. I'm sitting here watching this and just waiting, and you guys are like, "Oh, I only took a little tiny."
Nick, get an A for effort. Nick, I don't know how you didn't like this, like Christine's entry. I thought you would have liked that. How'd that look on the 2-minute?
Actually, it was technically a bit of a VWAP trade on the 2-minute because I got in at 66.84.
Look at that on the 2 minute. Beautiful.
That bounce was a previous day value area high. That was my pre-market low, which is level.
Yeah, no, I love it when things confluence like this. Let's see what happens here at 6,700.
Oh, I'm going to front run 6,700.
I'm not going to trade these accounts today. Fuck it.
Come
Yeah,
on. There we go. I'm out.
Beautiful.
I thought you were going for 67.19.
No.
You chicken
No.
shit.
Should have left a runner.
Yeah, but I only had 3 micros.
Okay.
Oh my god, even worse, you chicken shit.
I don't know. Well, I was like sized down for volatility. I think I meant to size to 5, but I had like hit the 3 button by accident. And then by the time I was in the trade, it was, too late.
This thing is gone, Christine, gone.
Damn, I know.
I know, Jordan. I would
would
love it for it to pull back too.
That was a nice looking trade, guys.
I kind of mismanaged it there when I got out because I thought I was trying to sell 3 of my last 5 contracts, and then I sold all 5 there. So got out a little preemptively.
Austin's still sitting in the exact same short, Thomas. He took the short with us.
Oh wow. So got that huge stop.
And he put a stop up above the above pre-market. Jeez, where is this stuff? Oh, that must. What am I on? Oh, sorry, man. That the feed was way behind.
Oh, gotcha.
Where's Thomas?
Oh no, where'd he go?
Thomas just got sick of us.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm leaving. Taking my ball and going home.
Christine.
Why did I
Why?
let that trade go, guys? Why?
I couldn't let it go anymore because I would have blew up my consistency. So
I had lots more room.
I mean, I could have made more money. I only made 2. Well,
you're on the chicken
We
shit bus
did
with
that.
Christine, Dave.
I made $241 on that.
You and Christine are taking the chicken shit bus to Scaredy Cat Town.
You know what? I got in that trade first before y'all even understood it was going up. So
I know we're following you. You're calling the signals. You're the whatchamacallit, we're just the sheep. You're hurting us.
Yeah.
I was just grabbing a coffee.
Nice.
Randy just said Austin had took the same short as you, Thomas.
And I thought he was still in it, but my feed was 20 minutes behind.
Oh, okay.
He had it. He had it
I was
stop.
gonna say, oh my gosh, get the hell out of the short.
Yeah.
He had
It
to
was a
stop
good
at the
call.
opening line.
It was a good call, Thomas, like being able to see that price. Michael, did you take your profits? Looks like you did. Yeah.
Michael crushed it. He took his profits. Like he got in at. I think he got in the same time as you, Christine. He got in at 650. At 957.
Guys, if this goes C720, someone punch me in the face later.
It's going
We'd
there.
go to jail. Like that would be terrible. We'd get canceled off of YouTube. End up in jail. I'll pass.
I'll pass.
That's why we need a girl in the chat. Where's Inna when we need her?
Yeah.
Inna. Punch Christine in the face.
Just punch me in the face.
I'm going to get a coffee because I don't want to watch this go to
I know.
60s.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow Thomas's lead and go get a coffee too.
I was all out at nice job. Oh, whoops, Michael. A little bit off your consistency. That's okay, though. You can figure that out later. Oh my gosh. I thought Nick had put up like a background picture, but that's
Really?
just
It's
the
literally
background.
So nice.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe I should turn my mic off when I'm typing here.
Yeah.
That's so loud.
Why'd you buy the clicky keyboard?
I just like to hear it when I hit the, when I go long, I'm like, click, long,
Click.
add, click.
Damn, this thing is ripping.
You know, there
Oh.
are sound alerts on TradingView that you can set up.
Is this gonna hurt if it goes to 67.20? Not because I like missed the move, but because I said it earlier. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't care that I'm not like making another $200. That means nothing to me. But it's, you know, when you have like a full thesis for a trade, but
What was your entry price?
66.84
Okay, and then stop loss?
was 66.77.
Okay, so then 2R. Oh, so you took profit at your 2R.
Oh, I took profit at 2.43 R.
Oh. Who fucking cares then?
Exactly. But it's like, you know, when you like do a whole thesis for like a trade and like for whatever reason, and like, don't get me wrong, like I'm happy I played it this way because there's no reason for me to hold out for a trade for like a 5R. Like a 2R is plenty. But you know, when you just have this
7-point stop.
Yeah, like you have this whole idea and for whatever reason you don't follow through with that idea, but then that idea does happen. You're like, oh.
I know, and it's also like knowing what trade are you trading.
Yes.
Like, it certainly could now it looks a little different, but it certainly at the start looked like it could come right back to your entry price before it goes up to.
For sure. And I think I was talking to Michael about this, and I have been like taking markups of them are the bottom of the pre-market range to the top, which is usually kind of a crazy trade. Like that is more, you know, that like that's a pretty big trade, but I've seen it. Usually it happens so far that I've seen a couple times a month. So this will be good to see if it happens because, you know, maybe in the future I can work out leaving some trade on without, you know, risking kind of. So it's like, but I have to be able to see it over and over again to like formulate a plan. How's everyone else doing?
Meh.
Well, look at NQ. Actually, NQ is looking very similar to ES, to be honest.
They're matching up real
Yeah.
well. NQ just broke above the opening range.
Ace James. Jordan's flat. Yeah, Keys, it's like there was a hot second to get in that move. So missing it is okay.
I'm crying about it right now.
No, you're not.
Let's go, James.
Like I said, day after FOMC, and
Yes.
That's good. You need that discipline. You need that patience, Nick. You know, imagine how like I totally can feel the FOMO. That's why I kind of was like, I switched accounts after losing that first short. It's like,
Yeah.
what if this goes the other way on me? Then I'm gonna be mad. Like, you know what? Let's just take the win in that single Ignite account and go from there.
I mean, if you want to gamble, go to Vegas.
Yes, exactly. And with those copy traded accounts, I'm not gambling. That's like rule number one. And if I break that rule, guys, I'm gonna be really, really upset with myself.
Yeah, I'm trading 75 accounts today, so I'm not playing around with bullshit that I don't actually have a really good feeling about.
Yeah.
I do have some top step combines I could take a trade in, but I'd like to see a bit of a pullback.
Yeah, like where are we gonna get a trade now?
Nick, I tried using the Tradeovate trade copier with Traders Post in no bueno.
The Tradeovate trade copier?
Yeah, like I tried using a single account. You know how we can use it on Project X, and then just copy trade and then have one account in Traders Post.
Oh yeah, and then using the copier on Tradeovate. Yeah, no.
Yeah,
that
so
won't
I tried
work.
that with Tradevate. It didn't like it. It
No,
didn't send the orders to the other two accounts. It just sent it to
no,
one.
you have to, if you're going to do that, you actually have to do one single account through Traders Post, link that to Replicanto, do your connection through Replicanto to all of the accounts that you want traded through that. You're going to end up with some slippage when you do, though. Usually between 1 and 3 ticks. I don't like it.
Well, that's a lot of moving parts, right? That's a lot of connections.
It is a lot of moving parts. And frankly, if you're trading enough accounts to where you can't do all of them through Traders Post, you might want to just trade them in baskets.
Yeah, I agree.
Because
that's what I'll be working. No, I'll be working on that in the near future, setting up what technically will be different strategies in Traders Post, but I'll have different lines on my chart, and those different lines will just equate to different baskets.
Well, you're smarter than I am. I can't trade more than one strategy.
We don't have any.
That's the key, though. It is only one strategy. It's different baskets. I just have to label them as strategies.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So you're just as dumb as I am, then. Awesome. Don't feel so bad.
Well, no, trading, it's got to be boring and simple. If it's fun and exciting, you're doing something wrong.
Yeah.
Don't tell Christine that, but
we lost your screen there, Randy.
Oh.
So I just put mine up there, but it was blank for a moment there, and it's not showing now. Your present screen.
It's not even showing here at the bottom. Weird.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still liking Microsoft for a potential swing at some point. Not today yet, but
that was so weird, Dave. I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
So I guess all of us were just chilling now, right? Nobody's trying to get in on this rip.
Nope.
No, I'm just watching it go.
What do you do up here, right?
I'm trying to get in on this rip, but I need at least 10 minutes of consolidation.
Yeah.
Before I just buy it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that even on the 2 minute. Look at
our
our trade down here, Thomas.
I know it's gross.
No, but it's good we got out when we did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I lost 250 and I risked 450. So I'm
look at that. That would have been a 14-point stop for me.
Yeah.
I got in a little bit after you guys, so I think I lost a similar price or amount. I lost 247 on that trade.
I have those accounts set up to 150 max daily loss limit. Those are my pro accounts.
Oh yeah.
The bracket. So well, Christine's theory of the buyers being in after the rate cut is nailed it.
Was that my theory?
Well, no, everybody was saying the market was going to sell off.
Oh.
And you're like, why would it sell off? It should just go higher.
Yeah. Dang, it's gonna be 7,000. I think we could probably hit 7,000 before the end of the year.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
That would be what, from 5,000 to from 6,000 to 7,000, like for 17%, 16%.
If this goes all the way to 19,
I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry for you.
I'm crying.
We're all gonna cry. Everybody on stream's gonna cry. We want everybody to send in screenshots of themselves crying.
I'm trying not to fall victim to FOMO right now. Bad.
Oh, lock your accounts if you are.
Yeah, like I said, if I take another trade, it'll be in 5 top step combines, and that's it. I'm not trading at my copy traded accounts. I can feel the FOMO, Dave, big time.
Gosh,
Do we need to talk you guys off a ledge here?
How did I sell that?
I feel no FOMO here at all. I took a loss.
See, that's good for you, Thomas. I love that, man.
It's like I just know. Okay, there was the trade for me if I was not in the short, would have been to buy the 658 or 958 2-minute candle closure.
Mhm,
And because I missed that trade, there's not a single other entry that presented for me.
mhm.
So therefore, there's no FOMO.
So if anybody ever wonders why, the other reason I started looking at volume profile is Top Step gives you volume. So Hoag's levels are volume profile.
Okay.
They call them Top Step levels, but these are done by John Hoagland, like one of the Top Step. What is he, Thomas? He's a something for the company, but he's a pit trader, right?
He was, yeah.
Yeah. And look here clearly. This is previous day's value area high. And look at that support it found there. This is what originally got me interested in session volume profile.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even know what these levels were until I went and actually hit the settings and read them here. And I was like, oh shit, that's what those are.
But I mean, it's good to know you can get those levels without having volume profile.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, yeah.
that's the same level as the, like you can just look on a chart and draw a line and
Yeah.
still get that.
That's what I was saying, that like people like Tanner looks at his daily and his 4-hour chart, and then he can start to formulate where these levels are just in his head, just looking at price action.
I don't know how he does that.
I think you stare at a chart long enough, you start to figure it out. At least he's not selling them as Tanner's levels, Tanner's secret levels. Buy here, sell here. I've seen that shit on Instagram actually, and it's disgusting.
I'm sorry. Should I stop doing that?
Well, you're not there yet, but when you are, I'll make sure I'll say something.
No, I never.
Was that our pullback, guys? Did we miss it?
That is
That's an itty bitty teeny tiny pullback.
Yeah, if it is.
I've got a limit order on NQ right now for 24,740.
24, just basically the lows of that little tiny pullback, kind of, right?
Yep.
Huh?
I was just
Looking at
on-
Bookmap, there's orders over in large amounts. So if it pulls back to that level, I got 5 contracts in for a buy.
Interesting. So building off of that same thesis, 703, 704 on ES. There's orders sitting there. We get a pull back to that. It's kind of the same structure as NQ.
Yeah.
And you can see it.
Well, NQ and ES are going in exact. They're following each
Yeah,
other
they're-
almost exactly today.
I can see
So
that's the +1 deviation band. Like if it pulls back to that and like bounces from there.
Guys, we
I'm sorry,
all
the
need
what
to take
band?
Sorry.
Nice.
We all need to take a page out of Zara's book. I'm gonna
Yeah.
go watch some Netflix and let
Yeah.
the runner cook.
Love it.
I know, but that's seriously how I feel sometimes around this time of the session, when 1 or 2 trade ideas have already played out fully, and
Mhm.
now we're like sitting in this, like we're kind of sitting on a ledge, and like you need like some more information about the ledge before you can take another trade.
Mhm.
And it's like, well, you know, I could just kind of close up shop now and just head off, or I could like stay for another 2 hours and like
Yeah.
sit and wait.
Exactly.
Yeah, and that was our fucking pullback.
Yeah.
natural gas in 5 minutes.
Dave, you're our news announcer. You whisper natural gas in 5 minutes.
I just got that financial juice just keeps telling me everything here.
Nice. Ooh-wee.
Oh, I want to take this in a combine.
Everyone get ready to cry.
We're gonna go hit those
It's hitting that 19.
those highs there, right?
Ugh.
67.20, 67.19.
Yep.
Am I allowed to buy it up here, guys, or am I gonna get in trouble?
No, buy it.
Pretty risky.
I don't think it's risky. I think it's
If
more
you're-
risky to short it.
That's true.
So Randy, I did just buy it.
Oh,
There you go.
So did I.
And I am just looking to hold this trade for a very short amount of time. I'm not, this isn't going to be an all day thing for me.
I have it. Yeah, I got a tight stop on this. I can open this up if I want a little bit too, but let's go. Where's 19? Something like that. Do something like that, but let's see.
Yeah, I guess if you think about it, like if you're like, oh well, is this a good place to short? Then definitely that's an easy no, right?
Yeah.
So does that just mean that the long is the way to go, right? I don't know.
Nick, what did you go in? Couple micros
I
on
took at NQ at, hold on, it's not showing here.
57.
54.3.
You dirty dog. That's literally right at that low. Nice work. Nick got in long. You can share your screen if you want, Nick.
Don't confuse him.
Nick got in right here, guys. Look at this.
I love it. Nice.
Yeah,
That's that was a bullish fair value gap right there, actually.
Was
What's
it?
What's the fair value gap?
Now Randy's just making fun of me.
What's 2R?
what
What's
the-
the fair
what-
value gap?
I don't know from 2R or fair value gap. And I know you guys are very patient and you've all tried to explain it to me multiple times.
It's a box on the screen.
sorry.
That's all it is.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's where the liquidity is.
What's liquidity?
Oh my god.
You know, though, I did have a call with Steven Goldstein,
Ooh, who's that?
and he been trading for like 30 years as a coach for hedge funds and has the Alpha Mind podcast. And the way he talked about liquidity was so interesting. But we just had like an intro call, and like I was kind of trying to probe deeper about the liquidity stuff, but I would like need to pay like for his mentorship to learn more.
Yes.
But I don't know, the way the big guys talk about liquidity was very interesting. He really was like, he was like, okay, so your setup is taking advantage of the momentum and the liquidity at the open. And I was like, okay, like sure, I guess so.
Okay.
It makes sense, but I don't fully know what that means.
Sounds very technical.
So did you like the call? Like, are you thinking about doing some stuff with him?
Maybe later in my career. Definitely,
Right.
he's the kind of guy it's not technical at all. It's all like personal development stuff.
Nice. Yeah.
So, and it's like $6,000 for like a year, basically, for its like
Yeah.
lowest tier.
Yeah.
Would love to, but just not yet.
Got it.
I'm actually debating on adding in here.
Oh, Randy,
Double it, Randy. It's
I
a
love
combo.
it. I just put in my limit order.
10 seconds for that natural gas news.
8, 7,
The re-
6,
Nick, can
Five.
I ask when
4.
you're
No.
adding in your well, I'm gonna ask anyway, but when you're adding in and you're dragging the stop just directly into profit, in your mind, you don't care if it just comes back and like taps you out and then go. Like that's like fuck, that's what happens. That's what happens.
Exactly. So my reasoning behind this, and I'm sure there are people in the chat here who are gonna call me an idiot, but okay, so today you can be a bull, you can be a bear, or you can be a pig. I'm not
Ooh.
greedy. If I'm in profit and it comes back, or if I've got my stop loss in profit and it comes back and I only make $1, it's $1 more than I had when I started this.
Mm-hmm.
But I'd say 20 to 30% of the time my trades go. I end up with runners. If I can do that 20 to 30% of the time and it just keeps on going, that's going to make up for all of those tiny little days that I have.
Absolutely.
Love
Let's
that.
go.
Yeah, 'cause so I've been really working hard on adding in, and I've been basically my rough system for it right now is when I add in, I'm dragging the stop to break even or like one tick in profit, and then essentially, but then leaving the trade and not adding in or not trailing the stop until it's like either right at my take profit. So I'm just trying to determine if I should be kind of trailing it into profit more, and not giving myself like the break even trade option.
Honestly, do it however you feel comfortable. The only reason I pull mine up into a profitable area is for insurance purposes. That's it. I don't like to lose money. So I pull it up, I put my stop loss into a profitable area, and I don't do it at exactly break even, because when you're paying commissions and fees, that's still a loss. I don't like to lose. I'm either going to make a little bit of money or I'm going to lose a little bit of money.
Or you're gonna make a shit ton of money.
And every once in a great while, I do make a shit ton of money. So, hold on 1 second. Okay, all right, got added into that. Making a shit ton of money. But those days are going to cover all of your losses, all of your little days where you make $12.50 per account, or you have a loss. If you let your runners go and you manage it manually and you feel comfortable doing that, do it. Use your stop loss as insurance.
100%. I like that. And yeah, I agree. I like what you said too, Ak. I like that.
Sorry, I'm having trouble speaking, paying attention to this trade right now.
Yeah.
Did that make sense the way I explained it? I'm
It's
doing
doing-
three things
it's
at the
doing
same
that.
time here.
Guys, we haven't hit 67.19 yet.
That makes it okay, right, Christine? If we don't hit the pre-market highs.
I feel like it's gonna go though. I would have been if I had done that, it would have been a 5-hour trade for me. Crazy town.
So what's the initial balance at?
Like what price is it at?
Yeah.
67.13.50
Oh, so we're sitting on the initial balance right now.
right now. Yeah, we just broke out of it, and now we're fighting it right now.
I haven't used initial balance in so long.
I'm just curious to know, because I know we're right up there, like we're right around it here, somewhere up here. Like I couldn't. That's why on the 2 minute
it's on my chart for sure.
Yeah, on the 1 minute I can see now, obviously where it is a lot clearer. I just watched the CVD get sucked right back though. You know, the CVD was close to 5,000, and it's slowly just getting sucked back.
Well, look at the run up. It needs to take a breath for sure. Just how big of a breath is the question.
Hopefully it's not too big.
Yeah.
Well, NQ took out its pre-market highs at 764. So, where's your stop on this trade, Nick?
My stop is at 767.
760.
And is that in profit already, Nick, or still? Yeah, nice.
Of course it is.
Of course it is.
I told you I'm a cheap bastard. I don't like losing money.
Let's drop a.
That's one of the things Randy and I were fighting about the other
We
day.
don't fight. Don't say that.
But him being a cheap bastard?
No, because he said you didn't move your stop into profit. And I was like, yes, he did move his stop into profit.
We don't fight, Christine. That's a strong word.
Argue. We argued
Yes, I
about
like
it.
that word.
Thomas was there just sitting watching us.
Like
Oh
brother
yeah,
and
Thomas
sister.
got stuck right in the middle of it.
Thomas has always caught in the middle. He does a good job though, just to smile and change the subject. Yeah.
Thomas, I know that feeling. I've been stuck in the stream when mom and dad start fighting. It's bad.
Debate.
But
Yeah.
don't-
There
We won't have to have 2 Christmases.
Never.
But it would be cool if twice the presents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. There's always an upside.
Oh, I think I'm gonna get taken out of this trade because I added in.
Oh no.
Oh, Rudy.
You know what? When you start doing it, you're gonna fall on your face, but you gotta keep doing it and get back up.
There you go.
Yeah. No. This is one of those accounts that I like to. This account for sure. These evals I like to have. Apex, I get a little. I just go balls to the wall. Nice off the get go. Top step, top lines.
Did something happen with his mic?
Yeah, Randy, your mic's fudged up.
Dog shit.
Is that better?
Yeah, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know why. There's something going on with my stream deck. It keeps turning down my. Keeps turning down my gain. Oh, there you go. I'm out. I hit my max loss limit in these combines.
Oh, well, that's not bad. It's only $527.
Well, I just have it set up so that I get like at least 4 trades out of these accounts.
Nice.
But yeah, that is what it is. That's it. I'm done for the day. And look at that.
Good job,
Don't tell me
Randy.
this is going to happen to me. You guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Did I get
Yeah.
stopped to a tick?
Right.
I'm like, depending on what it
Oh,
does
wow.
around 6707, thinking about a long, but we'll see. On a different account, though, I'm not trading my other account. Just FYI, these are combines.
Good thing about taking an entry if we pull back right to that 200 EMA down at 6,700. Nice flat
A
level.
little bit lower, yeah.
Wait for a little reaction off of that. See if we get a reaction off that 200 EMA at the 700 level.
Nick, how's your trade looking?
It's going all right, but I'm actually looking at. I just clicked over to look at the Tradeovate platform
Yeah.
and Trading View, and they are not matching up.
Ooh.
Really? Are you on the wrong contract?
Nope. I double checked the contracts,
Hmm.
both on a 5-minute chart. MNQZ5.
Yeah, there's about a point difference.
Yep, there is candles aren't matching up. There's there's more than a point difference.
No, on ES, there's a point difference.
Okay, on NQ there is a 3-point difference.
Oh, wow.
A 7-point difference. What
Yeah,
the
weird.
literal fuck?
That's crazy.
So then did you get taken out of some of the trades or are you still in all
Didn't
of them?
get no, I haven't been taken out.
He'll update us when he's figured it out, Randy.
Yeah, I have no idea what the hell is going on here.
I'm just trying to get mine open here to see if I can see what you're seeing.
I don't have an NQ chart open on Tradeovate.
60.
Well, I'm still looking for some longs, maybe into the kind of early afternoon. I'm
Yeah.
looking at this 15-minute candle print. Definitely want to give that plenty of time, and then if I did take an entry, it would probably be in like 20 minutes from now. If I
Got
had
it.
to guess, something like that.
Yeah.
Mine is lining up there, Nick. I'm not sure why yours is off.
Mine was off a point on ES a minute ago, like a point and a bit.
I got 766 right now on my Tradeovate and 760. Well, it pulled. It's hard to see them at the same time, but
Simultaneously, I want to buy it now, but
it is
I know.
lagging a little bit though. The trading view.
Yeah, my trading view right now is showing 24,804.
Wow, that's crazy.
801.
Did your subscription run out by accident, or
No,
so it's not delayed either?
this is a trading view pro. Nope, I'm still up.
Huh. It's so weird.
I think when I start adding into trades on to practice this adding in thing, I might start adding in with smaller size. Like
also,
instead of,
Randy, I would really recommend if you're going to add in, immediately find a way to add in, but not add the risk. And like,
so that's what I did today, and I got stopped out. And if you look at my screen, my stop was originally down here. So maybe when I'm formulating my stop, I should be formulating it for what I'm thinking I'm going to add into the position.
yes, because when you're, well, kind of, that like obviously that might work. I start to formulate my add-in after the trade is already starting to work. So like I'll enter the trade with no intention of adding in, but then as it goes, and I either when I see, okay, I can lock my stop and it is close enough to an invalidation level, or I can add and drag my stop to a new invalidation level that has been created, or I just drag it straight to break even, small profit.
Yeah, no. See, like, so you see my trade here, Thomas, right? So I got in long. I think it was on this candle, actually.
Yeah.
Got in long there, and then I added in on this candle here, on this push.
Mm-hmm.
So my stop was originally 10 points. When I added in another 10 micros. I brought my stop up to 5 because I have my personal daily loss limit set to 500 on these accounts.
And when I look at that, I would have just dragged it straight to the bottom of the candle you added in on, because that's
Right here. Yeah, I should have put it right there, right?
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
it was just such a strong 2-minute candle. You could just put it right there, and if this thing's got the momentum, it's going to keep going.
Yeah, I got you. I was just fixated on that on those orders above, and I should have just for sure. Now I got you. And this is where I get too lax with the combine.
Yeah, and the only reason why I
Oh, no,
say
that-
anything is
that's
because
wonderful.
when I started adding in, and I was adding in and dragging my stop up, so keeping the same risk but still adding in, I was taking loss after loss after loss, and that just frustrated me to all ends. So, but now that I have either a break even or a small profit, even if I take that break even, I don't care. I'm happy with the trade.
Nice. Thank you. How did we make out, Nick? We get stopped out on that?
I am actually stopping myself out right now. I'm getting a little bit frustrated.
Yeah, that's
there we
frustrating when your charts aren't lining up for some reason.
It's the Starlink. Maybe 2 different feeds.
No, it's not the Starlink, because I'm actually not using the Starlink right now.
So I'm down 153 in each one of these accounts on that first loss on the short. This account, I'm up 535. So basically I'm flat on the fundeds, maybe up $80. And then on these combines here, I'm down 527 times 5. That's where I'm at for the day. I'm done trading. I have a bunch of calls actually to get on here. And yeah, I think I'm good. Is anybody looking at anything?
Nope, I'm irritated, so I'm done. It will cloud my judgment, and I will end up punching somebody in the neck.
Thomas, would you look for another long entry here down at the New York in the overnight?
I certainly will. I'll be at the desk for a little while, but I'm not going to force anything. But if something does present, I could definitely.
Yeah, I'm. To be honest, I think I've had my fair share of trades for the day, so I'm done.
Yeah.
No more trading from me. If you guys see me post a markup of a trade later in the day, please hold me to it. Hold me accountable.
Yeah, I took my one. I'm done.
Yeah, that was tough, Nick. Tough, buddy.
Yeah. Well,
So what
shit
happened?
happens.
We're talking about how you didn't let your trade run all the way to 5R.
Well, it hasn't hit 67.19.
We're talking about how you didn't let your trade go to 4.99R. Okay, Christine?
But imagine being in that trade thinking it was about to hit, not taking it because it didn't hit 67.19, and then watching this right now.
So if you were in a trade, this is my personal opinion, and I'm going to chime in on this. Hot seat, whatever you want to call it. If you're in a trade and it goes 5R and you're not trailing your stop, you are fucking hilarious.
I know. It'd be stupid.
That's all I got to say. Like, that is just absolute ludicrous. I don't know how people trade with the high RR win, all that shit. Like, good for them. Somebody wants to call me out for it, good for them. But if you let your trade go to 5 fucking R or 4R, you made 4 times your money and you don't trail your stop.
Yeah.
You are simply a fool.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Foolish.
I don't know if anybody's got anything they want to chime in on that or debate me on it, but I think absolutely foolish if you're not taking 400%
One of the
gain.
biggest hedge funds, in South Africa trades a 1 to 20 RR and wins about 10% of their trades.
Oh wow!
And I'm sure they are not trailing. They're hitting that whole 20R when they hit.
We need to get them on the stream, Thomas. Do some work, bro. Let's get these guys on here. Let's have a massive debate and talk some shit. We'll fly down to South Africa and show them how it's done.
Nick,
Be careful with.
where are you staying right now? Is it like a resort?
Yeah, it's actually a resort in Arenal. It's actually a working farm.
Cool.
We got cabins. That's why I was saying earlier the chickens walking up next to me were distracting me. But took a walk around it. There's hot springs in the back. There's like 4 different hot springs, a pool, a jacuzzi, and then they have a working farm, an organic vegetable garden. So the restaurant here, everything that you eat actually comes from the back.
Cool.
That's super cool.
Yeah, I'm not mad about it.
In Sayulita, Christine, like eco farm kind of, like they had it, like when I was in Cabo, they had some really cool ones that we went to where it's like
not that I've found, but I'm sure there are. There were a lot in San Miguel, but I haven't found them in Sayulita.
Like a restaurant on the farm, everything's made there, right? Like a little store. Like there were some cool ones. I went to one really cool one actually in not in Cabo, in what can I think of it? Where's the airport when you land there? Not Cabo San Lucas. It's am I right or wrong? Wherever you land the airport. It's not Cabo. It's why the fuck can't I think of this?
Mexico City or something?
It's Cabo, and then there's.
Can you stop saying Cabo? It's
Yeah,
called
no, sorry.
Cabo.
Cabo?
That's how I say it.
Are you Mexican all of a sudden?
No, I just don't like hearing the word Cabo.
I like Cabo.
I'm going to Cabo.
You know
sound
what?
like you're,
You guys, man. I'll shut this stream down right now, and you guys can all go home.
Yeah, no, we're not going home. We're going to Cabo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're going to Cabo.
It's Los Cabo, and then Cabo San Lucas. It's Los Cabo. That's where it was. Is that better? You want me to
I
roll
don't
my
know.
R more?
I'm not sure it's better.
You know what? Fuck you guys, okay? Straight up. I'll just say it.
So I think this is classified as a failed auction.
Oh yeah, 7:30 candle
Well,
up
but isn't
there.
a failed auction though when it breaks outside of initial balance and then comes back in?
Yeah, and it did on the 30-minute. And then if you look at the 5-minute, that, like, you see that.
But how did it?
No.
I thought the high was set at. I thought the initial balance high was 1850.
No, it's 67.13.50.
Oh. That's full initial balance. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, so then that probably is a failed auction.
So failed auction, you can look at like a 50% retracement, if not all the way.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. Hold on.
Guys, I love you guys. I'm gonna have to jam. I gotta get on a call here at 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody in the chat.
Let's wrap it up here.
Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'll let you guys. Yeah, you guys can wrap it up whenever you want, and we'll chat later. I'll see everybody on Tuesday. And this stream is going to be a bit of an open stream now, so Thomas will be popping in periodically. Dave's always streaming. We know that for sure. We don't gotta ask Dave a schedule. We just know he's streaming. And I don't know what Christine's doing. We'll just let her be. But oh, there she is. Yeah. See you later. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, buddy.
See you later, Andy. All right, guys. I'm going to go have breakfast. This is not my day to be trading.
Sounds good. Yeah, I think we can just wrap it up. I don't know about you guys.
Oh, Dave, I'll if I'm awake, I'll see you at 2 a.m. for London.
Nice. Sounds
All right,
good.
See you guys later.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, everybody. See ya.